Hello students, our today's topic is objective of management. So there are three types of objective. First one is organizational, second one is social objective, and the third one is personal objective. Let's start discussing about all of three. So first we will discuss about organizational objective. Organizational objective. Management is responsible for achieving objective for the organization. It has to achieve a variety of objective in all areas considering the interest of all stakeholders including shareholders, customers, employees and government. So main objective of any organization should be to utilize human and material resources to the maximum possible advantages. That is to fulfill the economic objective of a business. किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो अपने ह्यूमंस और मटेरियल्स को इतने प्रॉपरली यूज़ करे कि वो अपने इकोनॉमिक ऑब्जेक्टिव को फुलफ़िल कर सके. नाउ इकोनॉमिक ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्या आता है? सर्वाइवल, प्रॉफिट एंड ग्रोथ. द फर्स्ट वन इज सर्वाइवल. द बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एनी बिजनेस इज सर्वाइवल. If we want to start a business or we want to make a business for a long time, so first we have to survive in a market. And for survival, it is important that we must earn enough revenue to cover cost. Now the second one is profit. We all know that it's not enough that organization only cover the cost of the revenue. It is very important that we have to earn profit so that we can provide the mutual incentive for the continued successful operation of the enterprise. Now the third one is growth. So to remain in the industry, management must exploit fully the growth potential of the organization. हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए भी प्रॉपरली काम करना पड़ता है. नॉट इन अ वन सेक्टर, वी हैव टू वर्क इन ईच एंड एवरी सेक्टर ताकि हमारी सेल्स इंक्रीज हो, हमारा प्रोडक्शन प्रॉपरली हो, हमारा रॉ मटेरियल जो है वो अच्छा हो, उसके साथ साथ हम अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ कर सकें. अगर हम ग्रोथ प्रॉपरली कर पा रहे हैं, इट मीन्स हमारी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज़ fulfilling their objectives. Now the second one is social objective. As a part of society, every organization, whether it is business or non-business, has a social obligation to fulfill. This refers to consistently creating economic value for various constituents of society. What we can do? We can provide facilities like school to employees or where the students can do studies, and we can create an environment where employees can work properly. So these are basic social objectives of the organization where employees can work properly and they will feel motivated. Now the third one is personal objective. Organizations are made up of people who have different personalities, background, experience and objectives. So organization have to work and have to understand each and every person so that they can create an environment where they can work properly. They all become a part of the organization to satisfy their diverse needs. सबकी अपनी अपनी नीड्स होती हैं जिन्हें फुलफिल करने के लिए वो लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का पार्ट बनते हैं. सो इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू प्रोवाइड अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एम्प्लॉयज़ टू रिकॉग्नाइज ईच अदर इज़ अ ग्रेट वे टू एनकरेज ए पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर. अगर हम एक पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर बना पाएंगे तो वो लोग हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए ज़्यादा डेडिकेशन के साथ काम करेंगे, जिससे हमारी ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ग्रो करेगी. सो दीज आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. थैंक यू.